Okay, y'all.
Welcome back to my channel. You know, swing that on around here, like so, and then like so, and then that one's already done. You feel me? Now let's go over here. Swing that, boom. Pull that around like so, and we'll come under here, boom. Real simple. My eyebrows used to take me 15-20 minutes before I got the microbladed, but this was the best. Okay, I messed up a little bit, but that ain't about nothing. I'm gonna show you how to fix it. Getting my eyebrows microbladed was the best. Right here, but that ain't about nothing. I go in with the pencil, clean it up, and then right here, we just need to clean that up a little bit. Boom. And just like that, we in there. What was that? 1 minute and 46 seconds, and I was talking most of the time. Eyebrows done in 1 minute and 46 seconds.
This is one of my favorite brushes. It is a 57 Sephora airbrush concealer. This brush costs $20-something. It's a little pricey, but I love makeup, and I have 2 of these things because they just so lit. Now we're gonna go ahead. I don't really want to like sweep like that. You just want to pat. And you just patting that concealer in. Just this brush, like if you are new to makeup and you can't really blend, you don't have the concept of blending down pack yet, this brush is a lifesaver. Get you, you know, don't break the bank. Start with at least 1, but you know, I started with 1, then I went back, I got another one. Do a video like that. See if I could do my whole face with my favorite brush. The one brush challenge. Featuring my favorite brush. Okay, boom. Brows is done. Well, not really done, but we're gonna set them up. Now, y'all missed the first part because I was live on Facebook, but I put some oil on my face. I put on my custom moisturizer. This one is only supposed to be before bed, but it helps the hyperpigmentation on my face, so I've been using it under my makeup. And then I put on some dewy primer. That's what y'all missed because I was live on Facebook. But REVLON Color Stay. This is 24-hour makeup. I never keep my makeup on for 24 hours. I mean, unless, you know, it's a long night. You know, on the weekend, I might. My summer shade. So it is a little darker than my skin tone, but I prefer my makeup to be darker than lighter. Because darker you can fix. Lighter, I feel like, no, honey. Like, I'm going to look like I have on a mask. And that is not cute. This is a flat foundation brush. I do not like these brushes for my foundation, but I just use it kind of to, you know, spread my makeup out. And I'm going to show y'all what brush I use in just a second. Okay, so this is just to, you know, move that makeup around my face. I'm going to cut this. I need to look in the mirror while I'm looking at y'all. I bet. So now we're gonna go in with the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush. Now this brush is cost efficient. It is drugstore, but it is lit. So same thing we did with the concealer. We're not sweeping like we just did with that foundation brush. We just patting. We patting our makeup into our skin. You want that thing to be flawless, seamless. Like, sis, is that your skin or makeup? Like, let me know. You know, so this is what we got going on right here. Don't mind my brows. We finna get those right. You want to bring your makeup down to your neck, shorty. Your neck. Don't forget your neck. Don't be looking like you got a mask on. That's not cute, you know. Like, F and that's. Like, that's just not how you do it. We're gonna go back in with my favorite brush. Okay, and we're gonna. You gotta blend. The key to makeup is blending. Once you get the techniques down pat, if you can blend, you got it. And if you can't blend or you're learning, go get you one of these brushes. Now, I don't normally really sweep, but right here, I don't like that like halo look above my eyebrow. So that's when, you know, I hit the good old sweep. And boom, boom, we in there. And we're back. So highlighting and contouring is very simple. Well, once you get the hang of it. But you highlight the high points of your face that the natural light or sun would hit, and you contour the depths of your face kind of to give it that structure. So with highlighting, you're using a shade that is 1 to 2 shades lighter. With contour, you're using a shade that is 1 to 2 shades darker. Now I like to blend out my contour first, so that's what we're gonna do.
Same technique. We are not dragging, we are patting. Pat, pat, pat. Now, this part, you want to go upwards. Hold on, I need to look in the mirror. Now, my forehead is not a forehead, it's a 5'6" head. So, I bring my contour all the way down like so we can give it the illusion of a smaller, so actual forehead and not a 5 head. But you know, either way, pretty girls have big foreheads, and so, who gonna check me? Not you? Pat, 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 pat. Very simple, very simple. You know, get in there, like, get into, like, now you see that, boom, we're gonna leave that just like that. Now, we're gonna contour the nose. My nose is not big, but you have a big nose, this is how you would snatch your nose. Hold on, cause, alright, so boom, we're gonna go right in there. I normally don't wear eyeshadow on a day-to-day, so, I bring my contour up into my lid space. Bring that thing right on up in there. You feel me? Okay, back. No, we're gonna go back with our favorite brush. When I blend out, I do the smaller sections first. And then I go like that. So this is pretty straight simple. Straight into the point. So I'm just gonna keep blending and then I'll be back with the setting.
So now that everything is blended out, you're gonna go back in with your foundation brush. You see those harsh lines right there where your contour and highlight starts? You don't want to see that. So you're not going to add any extra product on the brush. You're just going to use that brush. And just make your face be one. You see the top of my forehead? No. Not cute, sis. Not cute. Don't drag. Pat, pat, pat. And now it's time to set this look. We're gonna use some ear spun. This is drugstore, courtesy of my favorite store, Walmart. So we're going, I don't really bake too much because my skin has been really dry lately. But I do set my eyebrows so that concealer that I put around it does not move. And the nose. Everywhere you put that highlighted shade, you want to set.
Now, we're going to chisel that contour. Boom. Straight like that. Just like that. Okay. Make sure it's kind of even on both sides. And then I like for my nose contour to be really defined. So we're going to go back in there like so. And then at this time is when I would put on my eyelashes. Before we do that, we're going to brush away this excess powder.
I'm back, so I gotta show y'all how I do my brows. You know, since we already set them, we just gonna go in with a little brow mascara. And then boom, like that's all you need. I do not fill my brows in because they're microbladed. Like this, who fills in brows anymore? Like who does that? Get them things microbladed. Like it will make your makeup process so much faster. You know, and that's all we doing. Because them things are already done. Like, okay, yo, I'm back. We got a natural lash going today because, like I said, I'm going to an interview, so the beat can't be too glamorous. You know, you do that after you get the job. You walk in there like, oh, all right, this my shit, I own it. But right now, I gotta walk in there humble, like, hi. I need this job to support my YouTube career, and need this job to fund and get the things that I need so that I don't have to work for you guys anymore. But You don't want to say that, but anyway.
We're going to use, just like we said, that highlight. We're going to set the contour. Okay. So anytime you put on a liquid or a cream, you need to set it with a powder. It's just, you know, that's just makeup 101. You know, there's not really many rules to makeup. There are certain rules that you need to follow in order to not look ghostly and to not be walking out the house looking crazy. So we setting that contour, getting that face all chiseled and snatched. Let me tone that forehead down a little bit. No, I ain't got no sense. This is just, anyone who knows me can tell you, like, this is just my regular crazy self. I'm just this retarded on my own. I don't even want to use the word retarded because, you know, I'm just goofy. I'm silly. I'm goofy. You know, this is me. This is what I do. And I'm never going to dim my light or change for a damn soul. You don't like it, love me or leave me alone. You don't like it, hit that motherfucking exit button and go. Bye. What you still watching for? Goofy. First of all, cause my lash is tripping. I need some bigger lashes because this, my got to go in. Okay, I'm gonna fix that later. Alright, but now let's snatch their nose. Okay, y'all gonna have this be on my girl real quick because I need to do this right. Yeah. I can't even see, hold on. Just like that, just like that, just like that. Alright, so now ain't really nothing to it but to do it, you know. Go ahead, add your face powder, all that good stuff, and all this wonderfulness. I will be back to put on my highlighter because it's my favorite part. So, while you wait, hit that like button, comment, subscribe, leave some messages in the bottom. I don't care if it's oh, you ugly and I hate you, you do too much. I don't care, it's still feedback.
Alright, y'all, your girl is back. I done set my face with my favorites, my all-time favorites face powder. And I'm going to just show y'all because it's drugstore, it's a steal, and it's how you save your coins. This Soft Focus by Black Radiance. I needed to focus because it's like a filter on your face. Like, it's lit. Now, I'm finna highlight and my sis in my head, my best friend in my head, my black queen, you know, super scent. This right here is my shit. You see, I done hit pan on my contour shade, almost hit pan there, and I'm hitting pan on these two. But this highlighter right here, that Trophy, between Trophy and Honor Roll by Super Scent, I don't know which one is better. I don't know which one I like more. But let me show y'all. Now, I'm not going to go too crazy on the highlighter because I told you I'm going to an interview. So I got to be humble. But we still got to be beat. Gonna hit that Cupid's bow. Like so. I call it the little milk mustache. And we just gonna... I'm not gonna highlight my cheekbones. I'm just not. I'm gonna leave those matte. But this is my favorite part right here. What I did. Put it. This is my natural everyday beat. That thing's so pretty. Like, a little goes a long way. That's why I like her stuff. Like, I need to get a whole... I'm being cheap. So, Super, you see this video? Girl, I love this stuff, but I'm being cheap, okay? I'm trying to use all the shades and be completely done with the palette before I buy a new one. But in a minute, I'm just going to have to cave and buy it because I need some more contour shade. And I love supporting my black entrepreneurs. Alright, so that's it.
It's dry and oily, so everything I put on underneath was, I put on a dewy primer, I put on oil that was hydrating, then I put on a matte makeup, and I'm going to put on a matte finishing spray. I don't like to look oily. I just want my skin to be hydrated underneath so that my shit's not peeling and breaking and all that good stuff. So, you gotta bathe in setting spray. Bathe in it. Now I'm going to brush my teeth again because I ate. I'm going to brush my teeth again. Either style my hair or put a wig on. Put on my all black wig. I'm put on Kimberly. Put on a lip and get dressed. And I'll be back with the finished look for y'all. But thank you for tuning in. I love y'all. Subscribe, comment, like, tag Super. Tell her that, you know, your girl is loving this highlighter right here. Tag Super. Tag Black Radiance. Tell them I need some soft focus on them. Because this is like, I buy 2 at a time because it's just popping. You know, tag all your favorite makeup brands and tell them to send your girls. Tell them I got a P.O. box. I'll put it down there. Tell them I got a P.O. box in. Catch y'all in the next video, the next clip. So, yeah, I'm ready. This is the final look. Thanks for watching.